Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a 5-column setup in desktop, laptop, and tablet into 2-column setup in phone screens. So this is done by using custom CSS. So if I remove this custom CSS, by default the columns will stack in phone screens. So let's recreate this setup first. Or let's just add some more elements here. I just added a headline to each of the image, and then the setup here to center them all up. I've set this in the row, so formatting text align. If I turn this off, this will all of the elements here will left align, and if I center this, everything will get centered if you set the text align. So the element or the custom CSS should be inserted in the rows element CSS. So row customize, go to element CSS, and I'll provide this code in the thread. So also in the description below. So here's the interesting part here. If the image image width is small, the content will flow beside it. So if you don't want this behavior, you set the column to flex direction column. And everything is centered now. And if you want a space, you just adjust the margins here. Maybe we leave that, set the top to 0, and set the bottom margin to 20 pixels. Let's try to see if this will work in 3 or 4 columns. So let's set the row manage layout to 4. This still works. Set this to 3. This still works. 2. And this still works. What makes this work is the flex basis here is 50%. Let's try changing this to, or let's maybe set the columns to 5. Oops. Oh, it didn't remember my setting because I saved the page. So let's just so just needs to the preview just needs to reset. So let's edit the flex basis here. Set this lower. As you can see, it goes down to 3 columns here. Set this to 33. and that is closer to 33.6 maybe, or 3 4. So 33.3 is 3 columns here. So you set this to 33.3 if you have a 6 column setup. So we keep the column formatting here from tablet to desktop view, and that is made possible by the media query here, max width of 767. So start here 767, so this targets the small screens from 767 to smaller. So this code will only work in smaller screens starting from 767. As you can see here, 767 pixels. If you want only the smaller to target the smaller screens, you need to change this to 480 pix, the max width here. So hope that helps.